Going to be clearing out the garden for spring crop. Let's get started, inshallah. Did the daunting task of clearing up. This is how it looks when I clear it up, and I'm about to use the tiller for organic gardening for doing potato towers. Stay tuned, everyone, inshallah. Okay, everyone, I've softened the soil for my, not sure where I'm going to plant here, but I think it might be celery or some type of stalk vegetable. But this is the preparation for the potato towers, softened and ready for preparing, inshallah. Stay tuned.